If you want to watch movies like Interstellar, Inception, Gladiator, The Wolf of Wall Street, Memento, The Dark Knight, and tons more that you wouldn't have on your Netflix, watch to the end. If you're in a country like the United States, you probably don't have access to those movies I just said. But if you use a VPN, really any VPN works, but I personally like NordVPN. So if you use NordVPN and connect to a country like Japan, you have access to all of those movies I saw. And Netflix has different agreements with different countries, and that changes what they can watch. And what a VPN is going to be doing is going to be changing your digital location, so your computer thinks you are in a different part of the world. And this allows you to watch tons of movies you wouldn't only be able to watch. For example, I'm going to disconnect my VPN and then refresh Netflix. And now if I look for a movie like The Dark Knight that is on the Japan Netflix, it simply isn't here. So once again, connect to Japan on your VPN, refresh your Netflix, and The Dark Knight is there. So Japan is the country that has the most movies on Netflix in the United Kingdom, but the ones that have the best movies, I would say, are Japan and France. So now let's say you're a big fan of The Office. You can still watch The Office if you connect to the Spain Netflix. So now connect to the Australia Netflix, and you can watch Friends and The Big Bang Theory. I wish I could show you all of the movies each different country has, but I'd be here for years. But this VPN trick doesn't only work on Netflix, it also works on Disney Plus, and you have access to so many more movies on Disney Plus.